What did you think of that laugh I just did?
I love that laugh.
It's pretty.
Oh, the Jeff Richards Show.
Oh.
It's my show, but I'm never there. It's
Your auditory, optical, olfactory, tactile, and gustatory. All that means is you see, smell, taste, touch, and you hear. It's augmented and modified. And it allows you to tap into, things that what we call supernatural.
Some other people wrote some questions. We could do the questions, we could riff, maybe a little bit of both.
Okay. Do you remember we worked together?
You have exotic pets, you have exotic animals. I heard you have a jellyfish. Is that right?
I have it. I'm not a breakfast person. I was going to eat something later.
Great, here I am, buddy. What's going on?
So I just want to, go over a few things. This is the Jeff Richards Show, and I'm filling in.
I think 2019.
2019, at least a year ago.
Have you ever operated a chainsaw? Have you ever?
When we're out flooding place, how to live their life, hunting.
Extrasensory perception.
Here I go.
No.
I got into composing and arranging.
You ready to